A damn fine cup of coffee.
Balls swanking to the floor.
With the unknown and the mysteries of the unseen.
Irresistible.
What the f***ing daddy?
Your plumber, what earth is that?
Tomorrow, the rhythm is important.
So you become hypnotized.
The fat drummer hit the beat with all his heart.
Changes people's relationship to art and entertainment. It changes what an audience is looking for.
What is the if there no longer exists an affixed identity behind the brushstroke? She paused, to let the weight of the question hang in the room like a pregnant storm cloud. Some shifted uncomfortably in their seats. By some misfortune, she made eye contact with him, and by some greater misfortune, he could not look away, like a deer trapped in the headlights or floodlights or the corona of the sun. "You," she said expectantly. He drew breath.